If you want to see how fast your SSD is, you can use a small free app called Crystal Disk Mark. This will work with any Windows desktop, laptop or mini PC. Just go to crystalmark.info, links in the description. Once on this website, at the top, hover over the software menu and choose Crystal Disk Mark. Then scroll down and click on Download. And just under Standard Edition, click on Installer. Give it a moment to download. Then once it's done, click on the download to install it. It's easy to install, just follow the simple on-screen prompts. Once installed, launch the app and click on All. The test will then begin, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes to complete. Once completed, the top row will show you how fast your drive can be at its best when, for example, transferring large files or installing large apps. The second row shows you the top speeds of your SSD when dealing with one request at a time. The third row tells you how fast your drive can deal with lots of small pieces of data simultaneously, for example, background tasks. And the faster your results are for your SSD in the fourth row, the snappier and more responsive your PC will be. If you have another drive, you can test that too by clicking on the down arrow and selecting the drive you want to test. Then click on All. This app can test the speed of SSDs, hard drives, flash drives, external drives, and it can even test the speed of SD cards. And here are the speed test results of an SSD, a hard drive and a flash drive that I tested. You can see that the SSD is much faster than the hard drive and the flash drive in every test. This is one of the big reasons why it's better to have an SSD as your main computer's drive these days. So here's the website again if you want to test the speed of your SSD or one of your other drives. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.